Okay, Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. Okay, as our data that provided in the reference book, okay, this is the same data that you can get from the calculating mean and standard deviation. So this is the example of how we are going to present the data into the Ogive, Histogram, and Polygon using the Excel. Okay, so that this is, let's say this is the data. Okay, because there are there are this is group data, so that there are top and low value for the data. So I have to create it to make sure it will be easier for presenting data after this. So I just name out all the data into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and put the table for that data. Okay, and after that, if you want to draw the Ogive or histogram, and Polygon, we have to create the class boundary. So that class boundary also there are there are top level and upper level, top and height value. So that 41 for the class boundary will be minus 0.5. Okay, and sorry. This one class will be minus 0.5 and this one will be at, okay, so the upper will be at 0.5, okay? At 0 point, okay, 0.5, okay, so 47.7. Then because this is Excel, we can just drag the value to copy paste to the rest of the data. Then we create the table border, and this one is a class boundary, so we have to merge it and put the class boundary. Okay, and after that is the F, okay, the frequency of the data. So this one I think I have to copy paste the value. Okay, so just copy from C, and this is the data that we just read from the book. Okay, make it center and put the border. Okay, and now for the Ogive, we have to calculate for the cumulative. For the histogram, we have to find the frequency. Okay, and for the polygon, we have to find the x. Okay, so the xm, the midpoint is equal to you can use class or class boundary. Yeah? Class this one, and after that use the parenthesis, use divide by 2. Okay, I have to start with the beginning for the parenthesis. Then we get 44. Okay, so just double click, you can drag. Okay, just use the border. Okay, I think this is the, okay, so we have another one, which is we have to have the cumulative of the frequency. I put cumulative. The cumulative is something that we add before and on the data. So we have to insert another row. And for XM, we also need to add another row. Okay. Okay, so after we put the border, then there are cumulative. Put the border. Okay, now it must be started by the 0. Okay, so not bold. And after that, this one is the upper cumulative plus with the frequency. So we get this one, and we can copy to the rest. Okay, and also this one you can use auto sum to calculate. Okay, then you can see the red line, the red highlighted, the blue highlighted is the range of the data that will be summative. Okay, 20. So the 20 will be same with this cumulative. Alright. Okay, now because some of data we need to put before and after class boundary and class, so we just simply, because the length of 45 and 48 is 7, so we know that there are this one minus 7 for the before class, and for the after class will be, actually we can add we just can drag and drop because it's already have the formula. Okay, but for this case cannot lah. Okay lah. Okay. Okay, so this one is actually class 0 lah. Okay, the extra. So I didn't put the class. Maybe the Excel will be checked for that. Okay, now let's draw the let's generate the histogram. Okay, so histogram in this case I am not sure why they are not appear as what as supposedly. So I am using I will be generate everything together. So let's say the class is this one. Maybe I have to put this one 1, 2, and I copy this one until the end. Okay, so supposedly there are 7 classes. Because there are before class here and after class here. Okay, so let's insert. Okay, let's say I'm using this one. Okay, using this one. Then I want to print out. Let's say I have to finish all everything because if not, I'm afraid if the data are not ready. Okay, so this one is the data. So this is a cumulative. So this will be this is the XM. Okay. Okay. So let's say we put it as like this. So we complete the table. Okay. Now we use this one selecting the class. And the Ogive is a cumulative, or maybe we're using frequency. Okay, F. Then we want to insert the can use this one recommend. Then we can see what maybe all chart. Then we're using actually we have to choose histogram, but the data are weird. So I have no choice. I have to using column, and we have to act like there are no spaces or there are no border on that one. So we choose this one because this one is looks like another one that there are increasing values created in there. Okay, I'm using the first one. Then okay, then it will be appear so many series. I'm just delete the series. Okay, I don't want this one. I just want the orange one. Okay, so orange. So we delete it and assume that uh this is no border because histogram cannot be used. Okay, so this one is for the histogram. Okay, now if we want to put the another, which is Ogive and Polygon, it will be put another series. So I am preferring using the select data. Then I add the series. Okay, and I will name this one to the series name for this one is a histogram. So we put histogram. Okay, then I want to add another one which is Ogive. So Ogive, I will be choose the data from. Okay, the data would be Ogive. We use the cumulative. Okay, so we will use this one. Okay, cumulative. Okay. No, I just wrongly choose. Okay, supposedly this one is I need to use. Okay, so I choose this one and okay, then I insert column. I am supposed to choose combo. Okay, combo, so that I will be get everything lah. Okay, so in here I have cluster column. Okay, cluster column. Then I have line. Then I want to put another one is a polygon. Okay, so for the polygon, I will add another in another way. So that this okay. So that okay. Then again, maybe I can. So this one. Okay. So insert combo. Insert combo. Okay. Okay. Now, but for this one, I want to use a series 2 is a uh, series 2 is Ogive. Okay. No. I don't know. It's okay. We just get first. Then we don't want the orange color. We just only want the blue color. So we change the data. Okay. So this is the series 1 is a histogram. Okay. And the series 3 is as a gray color is a gift. Okay, so edit, then put or gift. Okay. So what we can see here is okay. So you can see this is histogram. Okay. If you want to change the color, you just double click. Then you go to this format data series, change the color. If you want to change the color to the orange, so choose orange. This is the border, okay? So we want to change the fill. So change fill, solid fill, change to this one, okay? Okay, so that this one if you want to change the color, okay? Then if you want to put the polygon, you just go to the this one, okay? Then go to the select data, then put add another one which is the name polygon, okay? Polygon.